Mutima bagumenyako ndi senior. Nnyo mirundi mingi. But when to say that, I don't blame why I was heartbroken. But I don't blame myself not to be heartbroken because nachiyitamu nenchiyigiramu. Manyi weweeyisa. Manyi wewe protecting not to go through a heartbreak. It's a very, 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 very bad thing. I cannot pray to happen to anyone. That's not what we babanda, but no. You learn to love each and every day. I do fall in love. I've ever fallen in love. I'm still falling in love. Because if love is love is going to be love, and we're not going to stop loving. Hello. Your sound is just Hello.
Okay, Nina, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Okay, what's your real name, stage name, status?
My real name is Nina Kankunda. My stage name is Nina Rose, aka Ugandan Property. I'm a Christian. And for the status, I'll not talk about it. For now.
Where you born from?
I grew up in Chibuli. I was raised in Chibuli. I was born in Mengo Hospital, and I was raised in Chibuli, Mtajazi. Yeah. Thank you for watching, Adam.
When and how did you put your
2017. 2016, around October. That's when I released my first collaboration with Roden Y Kabako. In my life, amuna buna balalo basinga. Ha. So I'm grateful. That's when I started. 2017, 2016.
Then how? I would love to know how.
How? It's a long story. Being an artist, it doesn't happen in a day. I would keep that story for another day, but it was a calling.
What and who inspired you to join the music?
Life I was living before inspired me to join music because I realized I had found light in music. And of course, a lot of people that I grew up watching, Irene Nambiru, Rihanna, a lot of people. When you're starting to find who you are, but mostly in Kulembeza nnyo, life here inspiring because that's when I realized who I was, that I was meant for this.
What was your breakthrough song and how it came about?
Ulimekete. That song was given to me by Jeff Chiwa. He organized the... Hey, excuse me. That song was given to me by Jeff Chiwa. I reached out to him and I'm like, I wanted to start music. Then he scheduled a session for me with Shady Bits. It was his own idea closer. By the way, Kabako Inzo Kubira Kuno Ruimba Neru even sounding better. I love how creative he is, and that's how it happened. It just happened like that through friends. I'm here. Oh my God. So many dias. Like it's been a journey, a long journey, but the achievements I can put forward is that I'm here today. People still listen to my music. That's a very big achievement, and I'm grateful for it. The love and support I get continuously from my fans. To me, that's a big achievement. Those are material things. I satisfy me. But from the bottom of my heart, I'm grateful for every fan of mine out there. Ninja. Making wrong decisions. You know, it's not easy to deal challenges in the industry, right? It's not easy to deal with the media, mostly with that. But then again, it's a journey where it's a mixture of advantages and advantages. So, but I'll put advantages first and not be negative. people that believe in me. I have this weird thing around me, even when I'm in my darkest point or when I'm feeling weak. Someone comes and like, "Nini, no, you can do this." People believe in me, and that only wakes me up to be better every day. I don't know why. People love my music. People support me. So that only motivates me. I would say mostly God motivates me.
You want person to say that changing labels
Mm-hmm.
from one level to
Okuba. Okuba. It's not changing levels. It's meeting people in the industry that you work with, and when you're working with people, the differences that you get as you. Tufuna tulina ebirobirwa bingi, so tuka time nga ebintu bigaana. Timing eyo nkulu nnyo. But we're not going to say it was by mistake to meet whoever we met, but kye twabafunako kye twabayigako kye kisinga okukulu. Nze whoever I've worked with, every record label, nyina kyenjiyizeeko ate kyenfunyeemu. So weewaawo nange sigamba nti nali ntuukirira. I'm so perfect. No. But then again, I know and I believe I used to do the right thing. And that is giving music, the good music to my fans.
people watching this would love to know from tenuously. It's okay if you take us through some of the labels you've been working with. I'm giving them credit.
Yeah, sure. Shout out to Boomback Records. I was signed there by with Nathan Nathan and Iya Mose, manager Ronnie. Oli wakabi mwana watuteekamuko ku ssente ze lwakuba just watagalamuko ng'abantu bakuvuga speed naye twalina ebirooto binene. And that was my only problem with you. I loved how passionate he was to invest in music. Naye ng'atuuka n'afuna the wrong people and I'm diverting. And shout out to you, Show Events. Tinka tinke, njagalo tinke. I think that was the biggest song in the lockdown. Sikwewana. So I want to thank them for putting in the effort, for believing in me. Samunga chibabalire. Ramadan Karim Isma. After that, that was it. Black Market, we're still working together. They run my digital platforms that you know well. And yeah.
Your best songs from you, you would say these songs made big for me. I love these songs.
You shouldn't have asked me that question. I love everything I do. I love all my music. I'm going to be honest. I don't want to be... sound so fake to my fans. I love all my music. Wallahi. Because I do everything with passion.
Your favorite Ugandan artist?
My favorite Ugandan artist? Pinky. I love Ugandan artists. But for now, why don't we put Pinky only? Sagara causing budget divide and rule. I love this one. I love everybody if they love me back. The energy is matched. So that's why I say it. Pinky.
How do you see the industry at the moment from your side? How do you see it?
It's stagnant. We need to pray for ourselves. We need to pray for a right direction because we're not working. That's that you know. And the areas that we went wrong and those areas need us to correct so that we can learn from it and move forward. I don't know why we're not having shows because tebyali bwebiti before. So we need to work on those areas. Tutunuire chichi ekikyuse chichife kyetukyusizza mu nkola nga tetuna blaminga muntu yenna because it's our job. You know, we need to watch out for it more deeply. Tuleke kweyisaako. Yeah. It's stagnant and I'm not happy with the industry at the moment. But whatever is going on, tunyumira. Giving time unnecessary songs, giving time ebintu ebitatugasa. Waliwo abannamawulire bwe mukyuka ne mudda ku ggulire nga terina kyeruyamba n'abalabi. N'oleka omwana alina amawulire oba yatadde oluyimba n'odda ku ebyo naye Mungu abalaba era ajja kibabalira. Ffe katukole good music. Oluyimba lwange nawe lutaddegeza bugeza kwe luli ku YouTube. Muneekwasa kirala Sasha Vibes yakwata video and written by Dr. Brain. Shout out to you.
Has anyone ever fallen in love?
I do fall in love. I've ever fallen in love. I'm still falling in love. Because if love Love is love. Love is going to be love, and we're not going to stop loving. That's the way to eat babanda, but no. You learn to love each and every day because oli muntu nawe. So you need to create that gap for opening up for love each and every day. Because tomanya katonda yajigaba. I cannot say anyone that what they did in a rose, me I cannot fall in love. Tell it to sing katonda. Man. Yes. Mutima bagumenyako ndi senior. Nyo mirundi mingi. But when to say that, I don't blame why I was heartbroken, but I don't blame myself not to be heartbroken because nachitamu nenchigiramu. Manyi wewe isa. Manyi wewe protecting not to go through a heartbreak. It's a very, 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 very bad thing. I cannot pray to happen to anyone. But whenever you're giving out your heart, guard it well. Truth is, we all don't know what true love is. We just give it a try.
Last two. You were Christian.
Mm-hmm.
The karma we have in the industry, the wrong things. Christianity. Because Christianity was supposed to be on the good side.
We mess around, yeah. Like I said, it's not easy. Christianity bw'okkiriza nti oli mulokole oba okkiriza buli mbeera Mukama gy'aleeta. It's not easy. It's a journey of falling and getting up as long as you truly stick to believing in God. Tewaba muntu akujajinga, tewali muntu mutuukirivu ku nsi kuno. As long as you still believe in God and you choose to do the right thing. Thank you so much, guys, for having me. I want to say thank you. My fans over there around the world, the young girls that keep pushing every day, that are resilient to giving up. Thank you so much for believing in me. My new song is out there. Gezabu Gezago. Subscribe, share it with your loved ones. Ciao. See ya.